Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to enable 3-finger swipe down screenshot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. If 3-finger screenshot is not working in your phone, you have to enable 3-finger screenshot through the settings of your phone. Okay, in my case, I am trying to take a screenshot using 3 fingers swipe down. It's not working. So what you have to do? Just go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to additional settings. Go to additional settings and here select gestures and motions, and here make sure that this button is turned on. Swipe down with 3 fingers to take screenshot. Okay, just to turn on this button so that you can take a screenshot hereafter. Okay, see here, with 3 fingers just swipe down like this and screenshot will be taken. Okay, again I am checking. Yes, 3 fingers screenshot is now enabled in my phone. If you turn off this button, then it will not work. See here. So in this way you can easily enable 3 finger screenshot in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.